Are you over 60 and facing stubborn muscle loss, aches, pains, or fatigue? Despite your best efforts with exercise and supplements, if you're feeling stuck, it could be due to a missing piece: nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory proteins. Aging changes our bodies, muscles weaken, joints stiffen, and we lose lean mass. This leaves us vulnerable to falls, frailty, and poor health as we age. But did you know there's a simple, delicious solution hiding in plain sight? Fermented, aged cheeses. Not the processed varieties, but carefully crafted cheeses studied to rebuild muscle, reduce inflammation, and restore strength naturally. Yes, cheese. While many doctors warn their older patients to avoid it due to high cholesterol, lactose concerns, or digestive issues, the truth is far more nuanced. Not all cheeses are created equal. The right ones offer high-quality protein, optimal digestibility, and key nutrients proven to counter muscle loss and joint problems. In today's video, I'll reveal 3 underappreciated cheeses backed by science for muscle recovery, mobility, and longevity. Plus, I'll bust common myths to show how cheese fits safely in a balanced diet. If you're intrigued and ready to unlock nature's secret weapon against aging, stick around. I promise you won't want to miss this eye-opening guide to incorporating the right cheeses into your daily routine for optimal health after 60. And if you love learning what Mother Nature has in store for you, don't forget to click subscribe. The last thing you want to do is miss out on any future updates. Now let's get started. Let's begin with the third cheese on our list, a tangy import that's more than just a salad topper. Feta. Feta, often made from sheep's milk, has a crumbly yet soft texture with a distinct salty, briny flavor that's both pungent and fresh. Its white or yellowish appearance gives way to a grassy, buttery aroma when ripened. While traditional feta ages for weeks or months in brine, modern varieties mature more quickly in controlled environments. No matter the method, the result is a cheese that's uniquely flavorful and highly nutritious. Don't be fooled by imitation feta marketed as a healthier alternative. Authentic feta cannot be produced outside Greece. So look for the protected designation of origin label to ensure quality and nutritional integrity. In addition to being rich in protein, calcium, and CLA, which I mentioned earlier, feta offers an abundance of other vitamins and minerals crucial for seniors. It's loaded with vitamin A for vision, immune function, and skin health. It's also a great source of vitamin B6, essential for brain function, mood, and metabolism. Further, feta provides substantial amounts of phosphorus for bone health, zinc for immunity and wound healing, and iron for oxygen transport in the body. One of feta's most attractive features is its easy digestibility. Thanks to aging, feta develops enzymes that break down lactose, allowing many individuals with lactose intolerance to enjoy it without discomfort. Additionally, its protein is gentler on the stomach than alternatives like cottage cheese or yogurt due to lower levels of milk sugars and fats. Whether enjoyed plain with a drizzle of olive oil or sprinkled atop a salad, feta adds a burst of flavor while providing essential nutrients that can bolster muscle mass and joint health. And keep watching. We still have more powerful cheeses to explore. So don't miss what comes next. You may be surprised at how cheese can help you heal and recover faster than you thought possible. Now let's turn our attention to the second cheese on our list, a humble yet superfood classic, cottage cheese. Though basic in appearance, cottage cheese is anything but ordinary. Crafted from milk curdled and separated into curds and whey, this fresh cheese comes in various fat contents, ranging from full fat to non-fat, each offering a unique texture and taste. Full-fat cottage cheese retains some of the milk fat, resulting in a richer, creamier mouthfeel and taste. On the other hand, non-fat or low-fat versions contain minimal fat and are lighter in both texture and flavor. Regardless of fat content, cottage cheese is renowned for its high protein, low calorie count, and impressive array of essential nutrients. Just half a cup packs an astounding 14 grams of protein with only 80 calories. What's more, cottage cheese boasts significant quantities of calcium for bone health, phosphorus for energy metabolism, vitamin D for immunity and regulation, and vitamin B12 for cell creation and neurological function. One of the standout features of cottage cheese is its high leucine content, an amino acid crucial for muscle repair and growth. Leucine activates mTOR signaling, a key pathway for building muscle mass and strength. Moreover, its protein, primarily casein, digests slowly, providing a steady stream of amino acids for 6 to 8 hours. This sustained release ensures that muscles receive a consistent supply of nutrients needed for repair, making it particularly beneficial for older adults. Furthermore, cottage cheese is an excellent choice for those concerned about weight management or cardiovascular health. Its low saturated fat content contributes to a favorable cholesterol profile and reduced risk of heart disease. Lastly, the probiotics present in cottage cheese support gut health, aiding digestion and potentially boosting the immune system. Incorporating cottage cheese into your daily diet is effortless. Enjoy it plain, mix with fruit, blend into smoothies, or use as a substitute for sour cream or mayonnaise. Whether eaten alone or in combination with other foods, cottage cheese emerges as a nutritional powerhouse capable of aiding muscle recovery and overall well-being. And now we arrive at the final cheese on our esteemed list, a true heavyweight champion when it comes to preserving and even building muscle. Aged Parmesan. Parmesan, also known as Parmigiano Reggiano, reigns supreme as one of the world's most celebrated cheeses. Its production dates back centuries to the rolling hills of northern Italy, where dedicated cheesemakers continue to uphold traditional methods. The result is a hard, granular cheese with a complex, savory flavor profile that evolves with each passing year of aging. Only authentic Parmigiano Reggiano DOP or protected designation of origin can claim the title of true Parmesan. To earn this distinction, the cheese must meet rigorous standards, including being made only from the first milkings of spring, containing no additives or preservatives, and aging for a minimum of 12 months. The aging process transforms the cheese, enhancing its flavor and nutritional composition, making it a favorite among connoisseurs and health enthusiasts alike. What sets Parmesan apart is its exceptional protein content. Just 1 ounce provides over 10 grams of complete protein, an essential nutrient often lacking in the diets of older adults. Protein is fundamental for maintaining muscle mass and strength, repairing tissues, and supporting immune function. As we age, our bodies require adequate protein to counteract muscle loss and promote overall vitality. Parmesan also boasts an impressive mineral profile. It is particularly noted for its high calcium content, which plays a pivotal role in muscle contraction and nerve impulse transmission. Adequate calcium intake is crucial for preventing osteoporosis and ensuring healthy bones and teeth. Moreover, Parmesan is rich in phosphorus, vital for energy metabolism and maintaining healthy kidneys and teeth. Parmesan's unique aging process yields additional benefits. During maturation, enzymes break down lactose, making it suitable for individuals with lactose intolerance. Additionally, the prolonged aging period allows beneficial bacteria to flourish, imparting probiotic properties that support gut health and digestion. Consuming Parmesan regularly can help older adults maintain strong bones, support muscle function, and promote healthy digestion. While its high sodium content necessitates moderation, Parmesan offers numerous advantages for those seeking to enhance their nutritional intake. Whether enjoyed shaved over pasta, added to salads, or used as a savory seasoning, Parmesan elevates dishes while providing high-quality protein and essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and longevity. As we conclude our exploration of these 3 remarkable cheeses, it's important to acknowledge that while they offer numerous health benefits, they should be integrated into a balanced diet and active lifestyle. Moderation is key, especially regarding sodium and saturated fat content, depending on individual health conditions and dietary needs. Consult with a healthcare professional or dietitian for personalized advice. Remember, incorporating these nutrient-dense, fermented cheeses can help you reap the rewards of improved muscle health, stronger bones, and enhanced vitality. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover the power of nature's finest offerings. Until next time, stay curious, embrace the natural approach to wellness, and savor the richness life has in store for you. And if you found value in today's conversation, please show your support by liking this video. Your engagement helps us continue delivering informative content that empowers you on your path to vibrant health and vitality. Wishing you all the very best, stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.